I'm not no man.
Aku tadi mata.
Oh.
Look at the baby.
Sir, can you put your bag on that scale over there?
Yes. We're going to Tampa. Oh, George Reach.
Right, run about there, baby, right?
Yeah, baby. Florida.
Your friends made no one to stretch and open and make. Supplications. I poured out my complaints before him. I showed before him my troubles. When my soul was overwhelmed within me, then don't.
Why? Why? More fun. Baby, we're back at the fruits place, baby.
Yeah, we're at the fruits place again. I love this place.
Yeah. Some mango, you know.
Start going up to them and say you walk a moon. These are you fly out them and pray for you jump out them. See down and calculate when you know you walk out them. Tell them how your friend, put them hard drama more from them. Some cry, some smile, some fight. We rise to the I guess someone put fun in that place. What is it now? We all we survive. But if $100 for play back the Roman Virgo, if I lie, you have to big up and look around. I'm gonna support the story. You put up your hand there. You put up your hand there. You put up your hand there. You give a here. You give a here. You give a here. Like you just don't care. You party. You party. You stay. When I see turn enemy, I don't want my life and I hear you. So I know that the I can see me. They are like the dreams of blue.
Hey y'all, welcome to Rash Nique, guys. We are still in Tampa right now. It's about, what time is it, hun? It's about it's 2:50, call it 3 o'clock, and we're here at the hotel. We went out last night. Big up Mana General. Champagne popping last night. And so today we got a polar day party. So we're just outside, I chill and I eat mango. So up here. Mango dem. Watch out. One whole bag full of mango. So they have 5 out and I eat mango. Give me some.
That juice that dropping nice sticky, you know?
I like that one here.
Yeah, they
don't sweet.
They don't kind of sourish.
So we're just at chill up we're at the hotel on the patio chilling, and we're just eating some mango, and a little bit later, well, after we're done eating, we're gonna go shower, get ready for the polo day party, and yeah. But right now, me and hubby just chilling. I'm glad we got some well-needed rest. I'm suffering right now, yeah, with my little womanly thing.
Mango, baby.
Oh, may I get them string out of my teeth?
And have fun,
So yeah. So guys, this is our view from our balcony at the hotel. So we're just here chilling, eating our mango, and then we're gonna head back in and start getting ready to shower, get ourselves together for another day of fun. We're not leaving until tomorrow, so we have we're not leaving until tomorrow night, so we have like 2 days, basically. Tomorrow I think we're supposed to be going to the beach, so you guys stay tuned for that. And yeah, Tampa's a good look. Tampa's nice. We've been having a good time. Me and hubby, we're enjoying each other. Me and the girls, Kadeen, Cherry, big up on herself. Jungle G, big up yourself. Everybody there. Big up Jaja them, Florida Boss, everybody there.
Anybody DJ no? DJ Platinum.
Platinum, big up your damn self.
Body of funk.
Ashana Boss Lady. Every time the hospitality is A1. Big up your damn self, mama.
You don't get that coming over 6. Come.
Go ahead. But yeah, big up yourself, Ashana. You're the real boss lady.
Suck my seed, baby.
There it is. But I'm gonna suck him seed. Wait till wait till mommy watch this.
Yo, who make a laugh? Remember me tell her.
Yeah, but we're about to just hang out for a little bit, me and hubby, and then yeah, like I said, we're gonna head back in, shower up, freshen up, get dressed, makeup, everything, and head on out of here. Okay. So you guys stay tuned for clips from the day party. We're gonna try to vlog that. But you guys already know how it goes. When you're out of town and you're doing stuff, sometimes it's really hard to vlog because you're just in the moment and trying to enjoy the moment. But then when you don't vlog and the fun is over, you're like, dang, I should have captured that moment. So we're gonna do our best to capture some clips for you from the day party. So you guys just stay tuned. And yeah.
Yeah. 4 more.
You're too greedy.
Remember, Sam? I'm not eating nothing else more fruits though.
Right.
Yeah.
I need floss. I can't believe I didn't bring that. You know I bring everything.
You know, enough floss is good. People who know to eat mango.
But sure.
Yeah. People who know to go after the eat mango.
I'm done. Yeah, guys, but we're about to head back in. It's a little hot out here. So we're about to head back in and we're about to get ready. So you guys just stay tuned.
Yeah. What them say? All of the days. Yeah, man, I eat, I know. We are going to deal with that now. For all of the days. Not my baby, you know? Baby, Paul of a days.
I'm tired of eating fish now, I ain't gonna lie. Huh? I'm tired of eating fish.
Let's go to Red Lobster. Let's go there then.
Are we gonna go get Terry?
No, she don't want to go.
She don't want to go.
When me tell her about where we left that
Me no,
oh, she don't want to go.
me no want a lobster. Me no want a red lobster either. Me no like that shit.
What do you want to eat then?
Paul of a days with it. Me and my baby. Paul of a days.
All of the days. We're outside. We're the Texas crew. Yes.
Don't know.
I mean.
We're on boss lady in the building.
Alright, alright. Don't know the things yet already. Oshana son still tired. You tired, see me?
Tired man. I'll see one day tomorrow.
Sure ass.
Oh, for real.
So if you sleep all day, what we do tomorrow? We have to do something tomorrow night.
I'm going to see you next year.
Oh yeah, next year. One more. What you find? Look what we find.
The king photography on the outside, you know what I mean?
I'm a boss this.
Alright. The teacher, that's
Look how me come find a Tampa. Alright, come on. Yeah, man. cruise spot again before we left, you know what I mean? You don't know the thing's setting. Yeah.
It was good, Cherry?
Nique with the bam bam. And cherry berry. Berry. Cherry, go on vlog. Go on pick up the thing. Look at my baby.
Hey, honey.
Yeah.
We're going home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's cherry berry.
What's up?
Hello last weekend.
Don't know.
Back to Houston again, you know what I mean? Yeah. Tampa nice. But that's why things that we have left down. They train, you know. Watch them. They don't know if they act, you know. So them go
Cherry's Puerto
play.
Rican.
Yeah?
Cherry's Puerto Rican.
I know.
Oh God, I'm not. Sure, Puerto Rican.
Yeah, man said, don't know, home thing. We finally catch a plane.
I am
And the pilot a friend.
like a pig.
So now you put on this first bit. From what stuff?
I don't have it on and I'm still sweating.
Yeah, but remember, say they have on it, that's why.
Me too. God bless.
They don't know, you know.
Oh, come on. Look on.
Come on, yeah.
It wasn't either here nor there.
I know, for real.
You want that window with that
Scan
team?
me first
Okay.
before anybody else can put the right. So just scan me.
I am done.
Nice, Tampa again.
I'm telling you.
I guess it's
Eh?
Your phone is in your bag.
Anyhow, you don't have it, so you got that. You can't turn back to the one.
money.
It's hot in the room.
You know, we're going to Florida and Texas, so we're going from humidity to humidity.
Thank you. I know, right?
Can I get some coffee, please? Can I get some of your coffee?
You know what? When we get up in the air, you can have all the coffee you want.
Okay, okay then. All right, thank you.
Hi, honey. Guys, we are headed back home to Houston, and we had to haul ass to catch this damn flight, okay? Yeah, so I ran a marathon a while ago to catch this flight. So we're heading back to Houston. Tampa was amazing as always, and we had a really great time. I am tired as heck, and I have work in the morning. So I have to get myself together. But yeah, Tampa was really nice. We'll be back again soon. And yeah, now we just have to make it home safe. And yeah, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, Rash Nique. Yeah, and leave a comment down below. Let us know what you guys think about our trip to Tampa. And so, Rash is here. We're ready to go home.
No, we're not ready to go.
No, we're not ready to go home, but we have to. We have no choice but to go home.
Yeah, that's why we're come on.
Yeah. So yeah, guys. I guess we'll close out the vlog once we get to Houston. Right now, we're just boarding the flight. We're waiting to take off. Probably gonna watch a movie. Probably take a nap. Who knows? And yeah. So we'll see you guys in Houston. Bye.
Okay.
Safe for now. I go sleep. Tired now. You see me? Yellow vibes. Big up yourself. You don't know. You're the brigade. Cherry, honey, yeah, there now.
See, it was right about now, but my dog. We just.
Yeah. Very easy, look. By the way, we're going and reach at the final destination. I couldn't know where I'm going. You see me, I said? Yeah.